Toilet tank bolts won't come off. In this video, I removed the toilet tank bolts in order to replace the gaskets that were causing a leak. I have this water alarm that went off detecting a leak out of my toilet coming from the bolts above. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description to the water sensor I'm using. I need to replace this gaskets that's causing the leak, but in order to do that I need to remove the bolts. I can't remove it with just a screwdriver and a wrench. I ended up needing to cut it out because it was so rusted and locked in. On this side I used a multi-tool to cut the screw, but on the other side I didn't have enough room. On this side I had to use a wrench on the bottom and a vice grip on top and use a lot of brute force to get it out. I recommend watching this video from How To and Reviews to actually replace the toilet tank and bolts the rest of the way. The reason why I created this video was because he made it look so easy to remove the toilet tank bolts, but I ran into a harder problem with it. And hope this video is useful if you're running into the same problem I did.